Yeah, no lid off today. They get a little bit too excited. See him going in and out of those little holes there too. See, so we need to do something about that. Seems to be a lot more activity inside the frames there this morning than there was yesterday. But I've got to go and round up a strip or something to put along there to stop them from coming up through there. Through that sort of stainless mesh at the bottom there. Anyway, we'll press on, I'll get that done and I'll block those holes off at the top. And we'll see that when it happens. Still waiting for the first day I come out here and spot honey in the front cells of those frames. That'll be a good day.